Alright guys, look at all this stuff we're gonna be unboxing in front of you guys tonight. We went and got a couple things for the office. Actually, a lot of things. So, a couple office equipments. We got that beautiful rug. And I didn't say no to Corey at all. Look at that fur. You know the boots with the fur? We got the rug with the fur. It's so soft, guys. It's gonna be like putting your feet on the clouds. And we still got plenty of things to unbox for you guys. She went loco shopping.
Never. Stop it.
Alright guys, we bought 2 of these new wallpaper. I was gonna say newspaper. We got it at Target and they're super cheap.
And so beautiful too. I want to use 2.
You wanna use 2?
Yeah, because I have to be centered.
Ooh, it's all about the angles, you guys.
I have to be centered.
Alright, we're gonna put it this. We're gonna change that back wall up, you guys. And it's gone, just like that. Whoops. Brittany did it again. Alright guys, you know your boy is on supervising job.
Again.
I'm supervising her, making sure she's doing her job. And look guys, she's working. She's going for that OT. Oh, we're using 4 books. You're gonna need some more books, huh?
Can you give me 4 more?
I cannot, I'm on supervising duty. Guys, all of this just for you guys. It got some gold brown to it. You know, not the poopy brown. Second item off the list, you guys. So deuces. Organizing our office. I do love this space though. There's so much potential to be done here. And as soon as we figure out what that is, that potential is coming, you guys. How much is Brian's drinking per night? Corey wants to know because I never put the full thing on the calendar, you guys. She feel like I always cheated. So in this way, I cannot cheat, right? Wink, wink.
Wait.
Alright, so look, this little tiger is excited to put the wallpaper up, guys. So here we go, unboxing number 2. We're still on number 2 because we were straightening it out. Now she's putting on the wall. Slowly but surely, that's the motto. Turtle wins the race, not the rabbit. Try something different, you know, switch it up. So we're just chilling here in my office. In our office, we got a little couch here too to sit down. You want to be my guest on YouTube?
Thanks for your help.
Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, I'm on a supervising duty, right? I am supervising to the full 100 extent. Supervising mode. You sign up for that if you have a girlfriend. It's the best job there is. Wow, guys, when I was recording Keeping Up with Brian's Drinking, my baby is putting some lights in here. Oh my gosh. She's trying to romance me, you guys.
Okay.
You're trying to rope me, huh? So guys, she's doing the getaways. You do need batteries to keep this going, and we do not have any right now at the moment. If you open it, it's empty. So what she's doing, she's using that chair to push on the buns. That way it will stay lit up.
Well,
Until we get batteries.
Yeah, they give it to us for a reason. Let's use them.
You know, the analogy she was giving me is that she hot wired a car. Hang on, guys, look at her. She tried to eat some fettuccine and she dropped it on my brand new.
Is that my fault? Look,
my brand new. Look at that. What are those? Those are fettuccine.
I grabbed the noodle and it fell from the noodle. It wasn't me.
What is that you drop? That's a chicken. I believe that's a chicken. We got a chicken fettuccine and she dropped chicken on my carpet. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna give you this.
Next, she's gonna drop her makeup, her eyelashes,
Of course.
everything down there. It's gonna be rainbow color by the time you guys see this next
I
time.
can do half and half. Like
On the next episode of Dragon Ball Z, this is gonna be rainbow color.
I will clean it.
Wow, she was so excited to post those posters up on the wall. She just look at all these books just laying on the floor next to the fireplace. She said, let them burn, let them burn. So we did win low on a shopping spree, but then I went on the online spree.
Hi guys.
Hello. So today we're doing a little bit more unboxing. Episode 2, vlog number 2. Here, so you can open the big one. I'll open the little one. So you're gonna be opening this Amazon box here. I'm gonna be opening this Amazon Prime. I like this bag. It's really easy to open. I like the freshness and color of it too. So here's the first item we have. Satechi. I think that's the name of it. So it's a iPad Pro Hub, right? So you know the iPad only comes with the USB-C. It only comes with one USB-C. This one's supposed to give it a lot more functionality. So my iPad will be working a lot better.
Can you use it
more
for
functioning. Sadly, no. You cannot use it for iPhone. Read about it a lot in 2018. I'm happy they finally brought it out and we can finally purchase it. To be fair, the review was about 3.5 stars to 4 stars, and it was $60. But I got on $15 off, so it was 25% off. It was on a lightning deal, so it was part of the Amazon sales. So
good, right?
I'm happy about that. Oh, it's very simple, guys. It's gonna be matching with my iPad color too. So this is it. So you plug the USB-C in the iPad. And now you're able to plug 4 more different items in there. So you have your own customized headphone jack there, HDMI cord, Type-C charger. You can charge your iPad and do all these things. So it really adds more functionality in besides just plugging in your iPad to charge. And you can't really plug anything else in. It has a USB Type-A and USB Type-C, so I can charge my iPad using my iPad to charge my iPhone. At the same time, I can have a head jack in, I can have an HDMI connected to a 4K screen. So it really brings more functionality of what a regular iPad can do, for it to be more like a desktop. So like this is the next item on the list. So I bought this case for the iPad or the MacBook Pro or any kind of laptops. I do want to try it out because it's only $15 and to see it is a lot better option than carrying around my backpack. Probably I'm bringing all the chargers, headphones and stuff like that. This thing can it fits right in here, all in one package deal. And you can technically put this in a backpack, that way you have everything together instead of your charger, your headphones in the front pocket, your laptop, your Mac is in another pocket. Alright, cool fact guys, inside here it's very soft.
Oh, it's like Uggs.
It feels like my blanket. Those soft throwback.
So this is an Anchor. So far I don't know what it is.
What were you asking me for? That you wanted?
Me? I don't know. I guess you cannot charge your iPhone 7 under.
Charging, you can watch a movie, you can flip it vertically and it's still gonna charge, and you can still watch Netflix or YouTube or whatever it is. It's the perfect angle for watching movies and charging at the same time. We're gonna test out, see if this actually fits in here. It does. Look at that, and light up. So I didn't think this two were gonna complement each other. Now that we have it, it's way better than reaching all the way back. So without this, we were not going to be able to charge it and show it to you guys.
Can I see that?
Remember, it says iPhone 8 and up. So you might not be able to charge your iPhone 7.
Shade much? Can we try yours? Your phone?
Yeah.
Oh, we should.
We're unboxing 3. All of them is basically for the iPad.
So we're unboxing this. Do you want me to unbox this first?
Yeah. About to get some studio lights.
Or is it a puppy?
That long? I don't think so.
This is a duffel bag to carry it.
Or makeup bag.
This
We got a bunch of white boxes.
You keep checking them, the light's gonna break. Yeah, it's actual light bulbs. Huge light bulbs. Oh. And she was shaking it like a Laffy Taffy. Same size, same white box. Honestly, I don't even remember how much I paid, but it's less than $40. So hopefully this is a good setup, and if we like it, we'll put a link down below where you can get yours. Rip, rip, rip. Ooh.
I don't know.
She's not even gonna try, you guys. She's just gonna be like,
There's
next.
another duffel bag.
Ooh, get that duffel bag. Get Drake to spend all his cash. Come on now. We can't let Brian spend all his cash by himself. Oh, even more stuff. Even more stuff that she's gonna have to read instructions on. It's an umbrella.
No. This is to block the light, right?
Are we outside? We need to block that light that bad? Dang, guys, we should have just got a freaking umbrella. Man, why did we spend money on this? $40 for umbrella light. Who came up with this umbrella light?
And who was the person that bought it? Maybe point at him. Right there. What's the look?
That's how you're supposed to look, guys. She's been complaining about lights, so I got her some lights.
Yes. Because we have a shoe problem.
That's what she's talking about, guys. She has a shoe problem.
The ones that I wear weekly.
Look at those. Yeah, and she said we have a shoe problem. She has lots of problems. Me? I just have drinking problem.
So guys, a lot of
If you guys watching my drinking vlog, Roraima supported 100%.
Roraima no supported nada.
She was my cheerleader. Ooh, that looks good actually. That looks solid.
It looks like a grill.
Yeah, we're gonna be grilling your shoes. Like, you know, when a trash man come pick up your trash on a Tuesday, you just pick up all that trash and dump it in the truck.
Are you ready to set it up?
Yeah. She needs my help.
I did that. You know what you did? Supervise.
I signed up for that supervising duty. So, guess what I'll be doing? Helping her with these hands right here. Guys, I just feel like this is an expensive umbrella with lights in it. Ooh, Bulbasaur. I don't know why that reminds me of Bulbasaur just now. She made it, bro.
And it can be taller.
For the pants? It's taller than Corey, you guys. Oh my
Everything is taller than
gosh.
me.
Supervising duty. Wow, she got it to work, you guys. So this thing is less than $40. And if we like it, I will be leaving the link down below so you guys can get what we like and all that stuff. And look at her, she's glowing.
What is this for? Maybe to make it less bright. Yeah, I think I need this.
All the work was done behind scene. These hands right here were put to work. These fingers right here was telling her what to do, where to go, how to put it together. I'm on supervising duty, guys. To make sure you sign up.
Yeah, it's been better.
Look who's smiling.
I want to do a makeup video.
You want to do what?
Oh my god.
Oh. Because you know on Amazon, you just look at the pictures and you trying to go off by the reviews. As long as 4 and up, you feel kind of comfortable to buy. But as of right now, I would give this a thumbs up. We like this product so far. You can see the light up on my girlfriend's face. She was in love with the cocoa. Look at this camera lights action, guys. Ching ching, ching ching. Are we gonna get tan?
I wish.
I can feel a little bit tanner already.